The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I'm there again. Yes, big up and respect to each and everyone. I want to talk to you about two videos that I saw posted on social media, and I want you to listen to me very carefully because I'm not here to mislead you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright? Now, first things first. I want to talk to you about an edited video that has been posted at different places on social media that shows when two persons fight at a business place. Now, the video has been posted one place on social media claiming to show a fight between an employee and an employer, and the video has been posted another place on social media claiming to show a fight between a media personality who goes by the name of Quiz and one of her employees at her business establishment. Now, I cannot confirm if the edited video actually shows a female who goes by the name of Quiz fighting with one of her employees at her business establishment. No, I cannot. I am only going by some things that have been said on social media about the edited video that I saw. And here are screenshots of posts that I saw on social media about the edited video. And for you to get a better understanding about this whole situation, I am going to present to you pieces of the edited video that I saw. And I want you to please bear in mind that the edited video is about a fight between two persons at a business establishment. Alright? Allegedly, it is said that the edited video will be recorded somewhere within the country that is known as Jamaica. Alright? Now, before I present these pieces of videos to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in these pieces of videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here are the pieces of videos. Observe. Hold on. Things look weird right there, so people. Things look weird, so. Now, my people, see the rest of the edited video that I saw, I see where at least two persons stand up and watch those other two persons fight, now viewers and subscribers. I mean, if the video or the edited video, I should say, shows a boss and an employee a fight, I mean, just to see that those other two persons stand up and watch them a fight, I think that no respect, no really and truly did suffer both sides. I wonder if you understand what I say, because if you as an employee respect your boss, you're not going to stand up and watch another employee fight your boss. And if you respect your co-worker, you're not going to stand up and watch your co-worker fight with the boss and so forth. And if you respect the two of them, you're going to try to see what can happen to stop what go on. Tell me if I'm wrong or I'm right, my people. See? So I just saw me look on that, as I say. But anyways, I'm going to move on to another video. You can let me know what you think about those pieces of videos that I presented to you from the edited video, alright? Alright, now the next video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a man. Now, according to some things that the man said in the video, I got the understanding that he talked about some things that he went through in his life in order to become successful or to achieve what he wants in life. Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about the things that this person said in this video, alright? Here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Hi guys, I have a story to share with you, something I experienced, and I hope that this will motivate you through your difficult time. You know, it was about 1994. I was in grade 11 at St. Catherine High School, and one morning my mother was faced with a tough decision to make. You know, which of her 5 kids was she gonna send out to school that morning, because she had about $3 to her name, just enough to send one of us to school. So she decided between me and my sister Melissa. who followed me to decide to send me instead of Melissa. That's how she broke it down. She said I was at a more critical stage of my education, so she said, boy, Craig, you take the money and go to school. I said, Mom, no, send Melissa. She's very, very delicate and needs all the time she can get in school. I'd figure something out. I'm a big boy, 16-year-old at that time. So I walked from home to St. Catherine High School, which was Star-Spin at the time. And that was about a 30-minute walk, 20-30 minutes. Easy walk, regular thing. And as I walked, I said, Father God, you know, you have to go provide some lunch for me today. And I just forgot about it and went to school, did the morning session. And it was lunchtime, 11 o'clock was lunchtime at St. Catherine High School. And when lunchtime came, my lunch fell from the sky. And I was a little shy to go and ask anybody. So I got out of the classroom not to be around everybody eating them patty and cocoa bread and feeling more hungry. So I decided to walk the campus, to walk out hungry, you know. And as I walked, I ended up in junior school. And that's where they had a farm to one side of the fence where they had some papayas planted. I was doing agriculture, so I was familiar with the area. So I screeched over the fence and scout out the papaya farm to see if I could find something to eat. Cause I'm hungry bad them time there. And I was only lucky enough to find one half-ripe papaya. Half side of it turned, half side green. And I pick the papaya. And looking around to make sure nobody not see me, I sat down in the papaya farm. The grass was high, so nobody really could see me. And I decided to eat the papaya, but I have no knife to peel it. So I decided, boy, my teeth, I gotta use and peel the papaya. Yeah, man, so I peel it with my teeth and eat the papaya. I remember right now, and I said papaya was kind of crunchy and tasted a little bit sweet and stiny. But I enjoyed the papaya. As I'm telling the story now, I'm feeling very emotional because it was a tough day. And I ate the papaya and my belly full, ready for class. Go back to class, finish the day at 2:30. Everybody gone home. I'm in the classroom studying my maths and my physics and on the blackboard, doing everything. Needless to say, at the end of grade 11, I graduated the top science student from St. Catherine High School. Went on a couple years later to the med school. And, you know, about 7 years to 8 years after that day, I graduated a medical doctor from University of the West Indies. Listen, I didn't give up through hunger and pain and stress. I made it, and today I'm living my dream. Some of you have got through a difficult time right now in pursuit of your goals and your dream. It took me 8 years from that point. Some of you might be 5, might be 10, might be 20. It doesn't matter, but guess what? You're gonna make it. You know why you're gonna make it? Because you're not gonna give up. You're gonna tough it out. You're gonna work hard through the hunger and the pain and the stress. I could have turned to crime. I could have given up. Did none of that. You are not going to do any of that. You're going to continue working, praying, believing, trusting the process of hard work and using your mental capacity to get you to where you want to go. Listen, there are so many experiences I will share with you over the next few days that will prove to you that you'll make it. Just keep working. I have many friends right now who are going to watch this. And this is my personal encouragement to you. Life is tough. Even now, COVID has made sure life is tough for most of us. But this will not last. Your day is going to come. Your big break will come. Yeah, man, don't give up.
Alright, I guess I'm going to left with my people. Big up and respect each and every one. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, do not be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm my name Dancehall Skilla. Who know big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey man, you know where you watch. Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla. 10.